Hey everybody, this is Brad from returnsforsale.com, and I'm going to show you how to promote your products, your returns. Here is a return for sale, as you can see, and we've got it here, the Ridgeback Yoga Rug that's on sale, and here's a quick photo of it. But to promote it, really, we want to give a returns for sale category and promote it. So if we go into here, you see this was automatically created, and it deletes once it's sold. But it's also, when we do this, it's created a collection called Returns for Sale. And within that collection, here I went in and wrote this. On occasion we get returns, we maintain our 30-day return policy, etc. You can write your own. And I created a match of the product title that contains returns. And so that'll all be within this Returns for Sale collection. And so then in my, let's see, where is it? In my online store, I'm going to go to my navigation. I'm going to go to the main menu, and I'm going to add, in this case, everybody's is a little bit different. Our brand, we don't use capitalizations, but you can, of course, do whatever you want. And then go to, that would be collections and returns for sale. Add that. I'll probably move it up towards the top there, a little higher. And then in theory, now, let's see how that worked. Let's do a little refresh. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for these to actually work, but oh, actually, bingo. There it goes. So now we've got our returns for sale, and this is just one. So if you have a site with, 10, 15, 20, whatever returns for sale, they'll always show up on this page. So customers can go, oh, let's see, before I shop, there's returns for sale, and click on it, and there we go. And of course, here's the drip rate, the product. They can go back to the product as sold as new. Of course, the history tab of what to expect. The longer they wait, the better deal they get, or they may miss it. And that's it on how to create a collection and promote your returns for sale. Thanks.